Nice to have you here again. Let's go through this question. In an AC circuit, the peak voltage is given as 220 root 2. Calculate the root mean square of the voltage. If you know this question, what's the answer? I know that most of you know the answer to this very question. Now, one thing about SSCE and UTME examination is that they are not always hard. Sometimes the question might be simple, but they want to test how smart you are. So if you come across simple AC circuit and leaving this question behind, you have committed a sin. Now let's clear everything here right now. Now you're looking for the what? The root mean square of the voltage, right? That's the steady voltage. By the peak voltage is given, that is the maximum voltage in the circuit. Now, the formula connecting the two of them is what? So if I give you, I know that if I drop the formula, within 30 seconds, you have arrived at your answer. Very well. Now, let's go. The root mean square of the voltage, which is this, equals to the peak voltage over root 2. This is the peak voltage. Now, this is what? Root 2. Sometimes you might see it as what? V RMS equals to what? 0.70 what 70771 what V naught, because 1 over sub 2 is actually because 1 over sub 2 is approximately this particular value. So substituting this thing here, so substituting the values, you arrive at your answer. I told you it's very, very simple. Now let's go. Now V RMS equals 220 root 2 over what? Root 2. Now this you cancel this and you are left with what? 220 what? Volts. This question is actually a peanut. This question is actually a peanut. It's not gonna stress you. This question is actually a peanut. It's not going to stress you as long as you know the particular formula to apply here.